Hi friends, here we are given x cube minus 7x plus p equals 0. This has got two roots whose difference is 1. Then what is p? Here we are concerned about the real p only. We are not concerned about complex p, complex numbers. We are concerned about real numbers. When two roots are whose difference is 1. Okay, so let us assume these roots are all the three roots. It will have three roots, right? Three roots are alpha, beta, and beta plus 1. Beta and beta plus 1, the difference is actually equal to 1. Okay, now we know the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots for a cubic equation. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. What is the sum of the roots? Sum of the roots would be minus b by a. In this case, b is equal to 0, right? There is no x square term here. So sum of the roots should be equal to 0. What is the sum of the roots? Alpha plus beta plus 1. That is alpha plus 2 beta plus 1 should be equal to 0. Okay, what does that mean? Alpha equals minus of 2 beta plus 1 because the sum of this is equal to 0. Now, product of rates taken 2 at a time. That is alpha beta, this is 1, 2, then beta into beta plus 1, then alpha into beta plus 1. Okay, when we have three roots, then product of roots taken at a time, taken 2 at a time, alpha beta, beta into beta plus 1, that is this, alpha into beta, and alpha into beta plus 1. This one should be equal to 2 at a time should be equal to c by a. What is c? C is minus 7. Minus 7 by 1, which is equal to minus 7. If we expand this, what will we get? Alpha beta plus again alpha beta plus 1. That is this alpha beta plus, sorry, plus alpha, alpha beta plus beta square plus beta. Plus beta square plus beta. That is equal to 2 alpha beta plus beta square plus alpha plus beta. This should be equal to minus 7. Okay. Now, alpha we know is equal to minus 2 times minus of 2 beta plus alpha. Let us put that. This becomes 2 beta into alpha means minus of 2 beta plus alpha. That is minus of 2 beta plus alpha plus beta square plus alpha means minus of 2 beta plus 1 plus beta. Plus beta is equal to minus 7. If you simplify this equation will, what will it become? Minus 4 beta square. This is minus 4 beta square minus 2 beta plus beta square minus 2 beta minus 1 plus beta equals minus 7. This is minus 4 plus beta square. This becomes minus 3 beta square, right? You can erase this minus 3 beta square. Similarly, minus 2 beta plus beta minus 4 beta plus beta. So this also will become minus 3 beta. Okay. Similarly, minus 7 minus 1. This means it will become plus 6 equals 0. That means this equals, if you take minus 3 common, cancel it out, beta square plus beta minus 2 equals 0. What does that mean? Beta square plus 2 beta minus beta minus 2 equals 0. So beta into beta plus 2 minus 1 into beta plus 2 should be equal to 0. So beta should be either 1 or minus 2. Beta is either 1 or minus 2. Now what is P? P means it is product of all the three roots, right? D by A. P means D by A. D by A should be equal to product of these roots. This is taken one root at a time, alpha plus beta plus gamma, or alpha plus beta plus 1. This is taken 2 at a time. This is taken 3 at a time. So the product of these roots, alpha, beta, and beta plus 1 is actually P. Now we know beta is 1 or minus 2. We also know what is alpha. Okay, so the product of roots is alpha, beta into beta plus 1. If we substitute 1 and minus 2 in this expression, alpha, so we'll replace with minus of 2 beta plus 1. If we substitute 1 and minus 2 in this expression, we'll get 6 and minus 6. So P should be either 6 or minus 6 for this equation to have two real roots whose difference is 1. Okay guys. So we are concerned about real P here. We are not concerned about complex numbers. Thank you.